you sure about this recipe?
No, not at all. No, not at all.
I think that's fine.
I feel as though the Manchester crowd is quite supportive, though, and they're all pour buckets of scorn on us for getting it wrong. Nonetheless, ladies and gentlemen, here is Manchester tart. Are you ready? You start.
Chop 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 chop.
Okay. Now I was walking around the streets of Manchester, looking for a tasty treat, when I stumbled upon Greg's the Baker. And they were selling my favorite thing. Let me tell you what it was. Walking around in Manchester town,